Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find the um, reviews and feedbacks of a particular product that you are interested in on the AliExpress.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should search for the product that you are looking for, either by choosing a category from this left side column. You can use the search bar at the top or select one of the items from the recommendations or the top rankings, so tap on it, and then you will be directed to a page. So you should scroll down, and here you can find this customer reviews section, so tap on it, and here you can find the ratings in terms of stars, and here you can check out the reviews themselves, and the photos can be checked out as well if you tap on the photos section. And here you can see that the customers that have purchased the item have uploaded pictures. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.